welcome back to Dinner Made Easy with Dina. And it's great to be back and see you guys again. I just want to share with you that I had a great couple weeks off and I'm back. I found this online and it looks really tasty. This is the first time I've ever made it, so we're going to do this one together. So let's get started on that. Hey, so this recipe is going to feed about 6 people, or you can have 6 portions. We're going to start out with 2 potatoes. That's all we need, and they're large potatoes. Hey, make sure that you leave me comments and let me know if you've made these before and what your version is. So we are squeezing out as much of the water and liquid as we can and spreading the hash browns out because we want them as dry as possible, or I want them as dry as possible. So once we have all the potatoes out of the water that we have them soaking in, I just put them on a paper towel so that we can drain as much liquid as possible out of the hash browns. The reason we want to do that is because we want these to crisp up in the oven. It's going to be about 20 minutes in the oven, and then we'll take them out as soon as they start to get golden brown, and we'll add our egg mixture in. I'm using a blend of avocado oil and virgin olive oil. So I found this at the store the other day and I thought, wow, I'm going to give that a try, because the avocado oil has a higher smoke point, which means that it can withstand heavier temperatures than an olive oil can, that's for sure. So we're going to give this a try and see how well it turns out today, rather than using a fat that's not quite as healthy. Okay, so the next step is we're going to take some of these hash browns and we are going to put them right into the muffin tin. And like I said, this is all new to me. Let's start with that amount. And then we just need to push them up against the side. I guess it needs a little bit more. So I'd say I have about 1/3 of a cup of hash browns in here. Now, you can add cheese to your hash browns at this point if you really choose to. I'm kind of, I don't know, I like cheese, but I don't know about putting cheese in with the hash browns. I'd rather put the cheese in with the egg mixture. So that's what I'm going to do with it. But you go ahead and decide what's best for you. Okay? Okay. And this muffin tin that I'm using is actually for large muffins. It's not your standard size. So that's another thing to bring up, is if you have a large one, that's what I'm using. But if you just have small ones, then obviously you're going to use a smaller amount of hash browns in each one of the tins. I sure hope these turn out. They look delicious. I found this recipe online and I thought, well, that looks good, because, you know, you can also refrigerate these so you could have them for breakfast for a couple of days. So that's what that looks like. And these are going to go into a preheated oven of 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Right next to it is a notification bell. If you push that button, it will tell you when I upload my next video. Now I'm adding in about 1 cup of cooked breakfast sausage. You could use bacon if you like, you could use ham, whatever you want to put in it, this is for you. So make it your way and make it the way you enjoy it. The next thing is our hash brown cups are ready. So I pulled those out of the oven and they're pretty warm, but they are nice and crispy. And this is about 20 minutes in the oven. So now we're going to put our egg mixture into our hash brown cups. And I did add cheese in here, as you saw. And there we go. So like I was suggesting, that you could add whatever you want in here. I think the next time I'm going to be using some Gruyere cheese and or a little bit of fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Now I made just enough of this mixture for 6 cups, and these are actually large muffin cups. So I used 6 eggs, and then I used my cheese and the sausage, and I came out with just enough of the mixture for these. And then back into the oven. These are going to go on 350. I reduced the heat on the oven, and they're going to be in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I'm telling you guys, these smelled so good, and you're going to see what the results is. There we are. All right, in the oven they go. Okay, it's about time to get our egg nests out of the oven, and we're going to check these out and see how well they came out. Oh, these smell really good. Look at that. Don't those look good? They should come out pretty easily. They are hot. Oh, look at that. Doesn't that look good? Hang on to this with my mitt. It's very, very hot. Wow, they've held up really nicely. I was a little surprised. I was a little nervous that they wouldn't. And the hash browns look like they're pretty crispy too. See if I can get these all out of here without burning myself. That'll be a miracle. I did leave these in for a full 20 minutes just to make sure that the egg had set up all the way. There we go. All right, I had a little bit of Thai basil in the refrigerator, and I didn't have any parsley, which is kind of unusual for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just top these off with a little of the Thai basil. That smells really good. Just for the color. And of course, Thai basil tastes really good too. You can have them over the next couple of days. Just microwave them. Some people say that these freeze well, and I can't say whether they do or not, honestly, because I have not. This is my first go round with these. I haven't tried that, so I guess we should try it and see how it comes out. There, what do you think of those? Now we're going to get ready and give these a good taste test. Okay, I just cut this in half so you can see what it looks like on the inside. Looks really tasty. Those are really, really good. I think what would be great is if you used like a Gruyere cheese or maybe some fresh Parmesan. Today I used some Colby Jack because that's what I have in the refrigerator. So it's all about using what's in your refrigerator, unless you're going to the store anyway. But the cheese, the reason I say Gruyere or fresh Parmesan is for the little bit of a bite. This is pretty mild, but these are really tasty, and these would make a great quick grab and go breakfast. Yeah. Good, very good. So I would give these a thumbs up. Give them a try. Try them with bacon. Bacon's good. The recipe did call for bacon, but I had this cooked sausage, and so I thought I would just throw that in there instead. But bacon would be good. I can think of a lot of different versions of this that we could dream up and go with. So maybe we'll work on some other ideas to go with these hash browns in the oven and see what we come up with. Okay guys, thank you for joining. I really appreciate you coming in and seeing me again today. I appreciate all of the comments and all of the likes and everything we've been getting. It's really been great. I would say give this one a try, you guys. It's really a good one. You guys have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.